TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 3 p.m. Eastern Time on Monday, final hour of the trading day, and we got markets in higher prices across the board. The S&P's up 14 points right now. You're trading up 1/3% at 43.74. Tech stocks, NASDAQ 100 up 38 points. That's 1/4% in the green, 14,852. You have the Dow up 112 points, within about 100 points of the all-time highs. And the futures, 34,863. And the Russell getting into the positive territory by 2 points, trading at 22.77. Crude's negative 35 cents. We're trading above $74, though, at 74.19. You got the gold contract at 1807. You see a little volatility this morning around the open on gold. Spikes down to 1792 and makes it right back to 1807. And jumping over to notes and bonds right now, we have the 10-year trading basically flat, 133.13. You're hovering right at about 1.34%, the yield on that 10-year. And we jump over to the volatility index this afternoon, 1630, right back to where we were Friday coming into the weekend. Very little volatility going on in this market. I'm going to jump over to one of my favorite stocks. We have this Disney in my newsletter, disclosure, but Disney up 3.1% today. Some strong numbers when you look at how that's going to change the field in terms of where Disney goes and how the streaming war goes. Black Widow premiered on Disney Plus this weekend. Looks like, I think I got it up in two different windows here. They took in $218.8 million, and that is a combination. Domestically, they were at about $80 million, but they took in $60 million just through people on Disney Plus paying $30 a pop to access that. So Disney up on that news, an acceleration 3.14%. Jumping over to Netflix, some of the other streamers was higher coming into the open, gives it back about flat for the day. We jump to some of the FANG stocks. Amazon shares basically flat today. You had Microsoft higher on the open, gave it back. You had Apple open at a record of 146.32. We're down about 1/3% on Apple shares right now, and you got the banks trading higher right now. Goldman Sachs up 2.5% right there. Check it out. Morgan Stanley up 2.8% right there. JP Morgan higher as well by 1.5%. Bank of America higher by about 1.6% coming in for their earnings ahead of this week. Record prices as we come into the afternoon. And you got a treat, folks. My dad, Tom O'Brien, he's traveling. He'll be back live tomorrow. We got our man Larry Pesavento. He's filling in live for the hour. He's coming up right now. Stay tuned, folks. Should be a great hour. We'll be coming right back. Stay tuned.